This short video is to show students how to use the booking application in Professor Grant's course so that you can book time to meet with Professor Grant outside of the scheduled course time to have discussions about course content, questions you may have about the content in the course, questions you may have about specific examples on the homework, or other questions you may have that you want to talk to Professor Grant about. You can book sessions by yourself, and you can also book sessions as a group. So if you have a study group that you are working with inside your course, you can schedule time to work together to meet with Professor Grant and meet with him as a group. So to access the booking application, we're going to go up to the left side of our course, and we're going to go to our navigation where we see our announcements, our course orientation, our lessons, and there is a new application called Bookings there. We're going to click on the Bookings, which will bring us to the booking page, which will give us direct access to the Bookings application. There are some frequently asked questions here. What is an appointment? Why do we have appointments? And these will give you specific information about appointments that you can schedule. For instance, individual discussions are 20 minutes, where only you and this instructor are in the Blackboard course. Group discussions are 40 minutes, where you, the instructor, and up to 4 other students are in the Blackboard course. When can you book an appointment? Each Sunday, Professor Grant will make next week's appointment times available. He will ask that appointments be made no later than 8 hours in advance. This gives both the student and the instructor time to prepare for their scheduled appointments. Where is my appointment? All appointments will be held inside of the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra application and the date and time scheduled. Upon booking an appointment, both student and instructor will receive an email notification with the details of the appointment. How do I prepare for my appointment? Before arriving at your appointment, Professor Grant recommends you having questions and problems ready to go. We will talk about that in the booking application because there is a place for you to post and type in questions that you have for Professor Grant. And can I change my appointment? Once you've made an appointment, you can change it. You have the ability. You will get an email, and that will link you back to the appointment page, or you can come back into the bookings page and cancel your appointment. So we're going to now migrate over to the booking application. We're going to click on Mr. Griffin's booking page, which will bring us to this page. In this page, you will see this is Tarrant County College, and there are services. The first thing we're going to see is there are services here. There are individual discussions, 20 minutes. There are college algebra group discussions, 40 minutes, and calculus group discussions, 40 minutes. You'll make the choice best suited for you. If you're in the college algebra course and you have a group of students you're working with and you want to meet, you can use this service selection here. If you're an individual wishing to meet with Professor Grant, you can use this selection. Once you make that selection, it will be highlighted here. If you'd like more information about that selection, just click on the I, which will open up a small window here that will let you know any information that's in this about the session. Once you've made that session selection, there is a calendar down here, and Professor Grant is releasing 1 week at a time slots. And so you can see that the highlighted, the updated, and non-ghosted font will let you make applications. Tomorrow is September 10th, for instance, and these are the sessions that are available on October 10th, which is a Saturday. So you can make a selection there, and then you're going to come over and select Professor Grant as your staff, and then you're going to select the time that's best for you. So we're going to say select the 11:20 slot. So now we have highlighted and made our selections, and now we're going to come down to the bottom of the page, and we're going to put in our name. So my name is Austin Haynes. And you want to put in your correct email because you are going to get that email confirmation that's going to let you know that your booking has been made, and it will have a link to your booking inside of it. So once we've made that, then over here to the right, there is a notes application where you can type in questions that you may have. So you could type in, Mr. Griffin, can you help me better understand the quadratic formula? And you can, by typing in this information, you'll give Professor Grant a heads up on what it is you want to talk about, so he'll have some materials prepared to be able to best help you. You can type in anything there. You can type in, Professor Grant, can you help me with examples 3, 4, 5, and 6 on tonight's homework? And once you put in that information, once you've made all of your selections, you want to slide down and you want to click the booking button. You'll get this pop-up that'll let you know that it's applying the booking to you, and then it'll let you know that your booking has been successful. It will also notify that you will get a confirmation message in your email shortly. So you want to check that email, and then you can come here, and this is telling me I can reschedule or I can cancel the booking, and it's letting me know when my booking is. This information will also be inside of your email. So that is how you book a session inside of Professor Grant's course. We thank you for watching. Please email Professor Grant if you have any questions.